cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Will you cook for me? I will cook for you. Will you cook for me? I will cook for you.
Hi, my name is Titi Nick. Today we're doing a cooking lesson and we're going to cook Dango, a Japanese sweet. Okay, here we have some warm water, some rice flour, and some glutinous rice flour, and some food colouring. So we're going to make a white ball, red and green. So we'll put some rice flour on the plate. Equal amounts. Okay. Put some warm water. Mix it till we've got a paste. Okay, so now we have paste. We make small balls. This one will add green food coloring. Okay, once we made them into balls, and we put them into the hot water, okay, and come out this, and we have some very sweet syrup, nice with some green tea. Thank you.